I'm a Viking.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself.
A lion. I screwed up. I should have told you before now. You take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless.
Living on a prayer, take my